Hello my good people, I hope you are doing fine. I'm also doing okay. So guys, today I just decided to prepare some little marmalade jam. So here I have my oranges I bought, so I've washed them, and I'll use that red orange squeezer. That is what I'll be using because I don't have a blender. I'll use this one for the time being. And I knew it was going to be a long process showing you all the processes from squeezing from my first orange to the last one. So I just decided to show you my last squeeze of orange, and that is how it does it very perfectly. If you don't have a blender, you can use this orange squeeze. After that, I had to sieve. Then after sieving my orange, so place it in a sufuria, then add some sugar on top. Then I place it on fire. The only thing, you will place it on a medium heat. Then you will continue stirring for a while, continue stirring. Then I added a little lemon juice. Then that was our result. Then my packaging was here, and that is how it looked like. It looked like honey, but it is not honey, it's just a lemon marmalade.